Hey, what's up, Chad? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Molly Miss. I be running through them red lights, I ain't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo Savage, and baby, we are up early and we up grinding, baby. We are grinding, man. Listen, I got a banger for y'all. Oh man, I've been up for a little bit already. I've been rolling. I'm on the highway. I'm on my way to North Carolina for a car show. It's about to be lit. I'm about to link up with Top Steppa them. Top Steppa, Octane Red. I don't know who else coming. I think 392 Damo them. They already up there. I think they left me yesterday. So, but yeah, man, we are on our way, man. Find me a little convoy. They slide, so I'm sliding with them. You know what I'm saying? That highway run be crazy when you by yourself. It's so lonely. I don't hear no other aggressive voters today. I'm like, golly, it's so quiet. But yeah, so I just want to get in here and talk to y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, man. Your boys are traveling YouTubers, man. I be on the road with this thing every time. You tell me where a show at, and if it's a big enough show, I'm coming. Big facts, you know that. I'm pulling up. Me and Big Daytona, pulling up every time. So yeah, so today we headed up to North Carolina for a car show. Alright, gang, so everybody slow rolling in right now. You know what I'm saying? Octane Red at this thing. Y'all see that thing though, Daytona power. Y'all see it. Pressure, yes sir. You know what I'm saying? Y'all remember his car from when we was what it was, the Savannah meet. Him and his damn plate. I ain't show your plate, fool. That boy got a barcode right there. They got a QR code right there. So you just walk up on it, scan it, then boom, you all in the mix with him. Daytona thing. Ooh. Hey, I ain't know it was so many Daytonas out here in these streets. You know what I'm saying? It's like, okay, Daytona that heat for real while you playing. You know, you got the big yellow Brembos. They look good too. I'm ready to get that. Yeah, so he got another one. So you see his QR code, man, when you walk up on this car, scan your joint. I need to get some snorkels. I might get some snorkels. Y'all think Big Daytona needs some snorkels? Let's see. I'll probably, what y'all do, orange? Some orange snorkels, put them like right here. He got the Daytona sign on there. Nah, see, I like my Daytona sign, but he got two custom joints down there. Yes, sir. Yeah, they got the tacos. What's up, G? You all right?
I'm on my pops, man.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Go on, shout it out, man.
Oh, Octane Red _ 392.
Yes,
Get up here to the Buzz City Car Show and let it do what it do.
That's what it's called, y'all. Buzz City. I kept naming BREE, Stunna. Wide body thing, y'all see it. Man, I want some 315. So look how wide that tire is, bro.
But you got that offset though.
How you doing, man? You alright? Yes, sir.
No, not good. Everybody catching goddamn corona. I ain't trying to be I ain't if I felt any kind of way, why would you left the house?
Facts.
Goddamn, I was afraid to beat that.
Somebody told, it's a dude who's selling these exact stock wheels, bruh, but I don't want these. And plus, I just want the thickness in the back. You know what I'm saying? This wide body thing crazy though. That look like the Hellcat hood. They come with the Hellcat hood? Yes, sir. Wow, everybody crazy. Got he be racing because he got radios on that joint, bro. They're definitely gonna dig on something. I like that, man. I like that. Y'all see Gang done pulled up, taking his precious time to get here and shit.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
I know I'm always late. I gotta do what I do.
Hey,
you know?
you can't be late, man. We have a time schedule.
You gotta do a damn Joshua, right? We're doing top stepper right now.
Alright, we doing top stepper.
Y'all see the Gang right there, man. What's up, man?
You already know it's stop_stepper 392, man.
Yes, sir. That boy got that thing lined up, though. That boy clean, boy.
The Pablo with the charger.
Yes, sir, man. I see this thing right here, bit pressure. But you need one of these, boy. You know what I'm saying? Match
It's on the camera, bro. I'm recording, but this shit is all fogged up.
Oh. Y'all other home button, they was going?
Yeah.
Okay. But y'all see the Gang out here with this thing. Powered by SRT, big pressure. Make sure you follow right there. I already showed y'all Octane Red joint. Y'all know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit up his scan code, hit up his YouTube, like, comment. Why is shit so quiet? I mean, quiet too. Alright, gang, quick little pit stop, top off the fuel, you know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna get back on that road. Them boys was running, you know what I'm saying? If we was doing a regular speed limit with the goddamn eco mode, I ain't got eco mode, but my cruise control is my eco mode. It's all good though, quick little run. Them boys was sliding though. I like that though, good energy. So, quick fuel up, grab something to drink, grab a snack if you need a snack. I think we got like another hour or so. So I ain't been running my map. I've been listening to music and stuff. So I don't really know how far we got, but we almost there. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, man, y'all know, y'all see it. Y'all you know I got the blue vans to go. I don't know why this shirt seems so long. It feels long. It don't look long. This is regular 2X. But it feels long. I don't know. Dang, boy. 200 easy on gas. Jeez. Let me get my goddamn receipt. 200 easy. $60, $40, $30.
84. Huh? 84? 84 what?
You got Camaro gang out here. See a Tesla. Scatties all over the place over there. Ooh, that man Blue go crazy. Oh, that's right, rap. No, that boy snapped. That boy snapped. First of all, this blue go crazy. Ooh, he took off. Both of these go hard. I like it. Damn right. Ooh, that boy's down. Y'all see that? Dang, that boy took off though. That's pressure. Yes, sir. YouTube, redeye ride. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go hit that channel up. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all these drops. Damn right, took off. I like this. And I probably done seen the color before, but you know when the game do something lit, it's always gonna be lit. And then this blue thing right here go crazy. Yes, sir. Damn. Is this the one from the? Is this the one from the shop? What's up, man? What's up, bro? Yes, sir. Is this one cuz? He just did this bitch 2 weeks ago. I think that is him. Uh-oh. My bad, brother. Excuse me. First mistake I always make is putting on pants. I'm killing myself with that jump. Oh, that's the same. That's why I'm like, okay, I felt like I had just seen. But his got a little bit more gold in it. Let's go check that out. How y'all doing?
Pablo.
What's up, man? What's up, man? Y'all alright? My bad. Hey, man, it's your boy Pablo 392, man. I'm up here hanging out. Done made a 6-hour drive from Jacksonville. Y'all know how I get down, man. What's good with y'all boys? Y'all boys good? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shout out. Tell them who you is.
Got on IG and on YouTube, man. Check me out, man. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That, man. Hit me on IG, dog.
Yeah, I appreciate y'all boys, man.
No problem, dog.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. What's up, OG? You good? Chillin', man.
Trip up here in like 2 weeks, man.
Uh-huh. Running it up. That's your car? God, fucking damn. Why you doing like that, though?
Time for a switch.
Damn, I was like, that ain't his car. That's his car.
What BUURLZ Customs can do.
Come tell us about it, man. Come on, come tell us about it. What's up, brother? You all right? Top stepper. Top stepper. I bet you don't know which car that is. Yeah. He spazzed out, man.
This is hard, bro.
What's the company called?
BUURLZ Customs.
BUURLZ Customs.
What y'all do in that place? Like, what is it? Like, we do everything from wraps to detailing to PPF, brake caliper change, performance, lift, wheel, all of it. See, I was gonna buy it.
This bit go crazy. Yes, sir. You did that.
Come here, shut yourself up.
She always hot.
Great.
Show yourself up for if they don't know you, let them get to know you.
Y'all know Trapthorn Post, YouTube, Instagram, everywhere. Make sure you check me out. We got a collab, us three.
Well, I'm 4 hours away from here, right?
Look, we can do something. I'm trying to run it up. You know me, man. Out here in these streets.
Speaking of collab, how did that thing go with Mr. Granddaddy?
I got a YouTube, but I ain't big like y'all.
Okay, so I got down there extremely late.
Yeah.
Everything was just off.
Should this be recording?
Flight, hotel, everything.
You want me to put it off?
That don't matter.
Oh, okay. I'm like, hold on.
No one listen like that. It was just my flight and everything was so delayed. unfortunately didn't work out.
Okay.
So you went down there to Miami to hang out a little bit?
Yeah, no, I went to Rolling Lounge out there.
Seen that.
Whoa.
She didn't even invite us, right?
Yeah, I went to Rolling Lounge.
Who you want to see? Who you got to see?
Everybody.
Everybody.
I just got everybody. Thank you.
That big
Facts,
performance was lit,
facts.
right?
It was lit. It was definitely lit.
That's like they get to like 5 stages, right? It'd be like
Yeah,
5 stages.
it's a lot of walking.
Yeah.
One day was enough. 3 days is too much.
And there's people stay down there for the whole weekend, don't they?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Hotter than this still.
And all right, y'all know I had to come get gang over here. You know what I'm saying? Call him the information box. Oh, this ain't even his car. Where his shit at? Oh, it's over there. What's up, brother?
Trying to stay goddamn cool.
Look, I see you, bro. You all right? Shout it out, man.
Knockout 360, man. YouTube, Instagram, Knockout 360.
Yes, sir.
This heat hotter than the videos I be making in my car, man. People be like, man, just make your videos inside. I can't.
Yeah, man.
It's my car. You know, my
Man,
car in my office. But I know you used to this, man. You can afford this.
Yeah. Oh, I just said that my first mistake was putting on these damn pants. I didn't know what it was.
You gotta try to look good, man.
Look, you home though. You home, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Y'all
it's
came from Florida today?
yeah, we just pulled up. Just got here.
Listen, man, I respect y'all, man. Y'all go get it.
I'm trying, brother. I try to tell
Y'all
you.
be coming up to me all the time, man. What's the secret? How do you get your subscribers? You gotta go get it.
Gotta go
When I
get
had my
it.
V6 Charger, I was all over North Carolina. Everywhere. North Carolina, South Carolina. I was in Virginia, Georgia. I used to go everywhere for that shit, man. And then I stacked it, made that money, stacked it, saved it, then I got my wide body. I'm still going everywhere.
Yeah.
The grind don't stop, man. I really
Yeah.
respect y'all.
I'm trying.
I really respect
My
y'all.
main thing right now is just getting into the.
Pretty short, man.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it.
How you gonna catch you, Pablo?
Hey man, you can hit me up at Pablo Savage 392 on YouTube and Instagram. Come through after you watch this video. You know what I'm saying? Hit you with a noggin rocker.
Sir.
You come over there, check me out. I got a couple noggin rockers too,
Yes,
and we're
sir.
gonna go across your head with these bangers. You know what I'm saying? Hey,
Facts, man. You go follow them, man. Good people out here, 704.
tell them who. There you go.
It's all about that Dre effect, you feel me? DREEFFECT, man. Call somebody put that up. But call content, fitness, and lifestyle content, you know what I'm saying? Up and coming YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? Brooklyn, Charlotte, love, and everything, man. Definitely up in the vibe, you feel me?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I appreciate
It's all
that,
love,
brother. Thank you, man.
No, man. It's all love.
They out here though. It's hot. It's cooking. I'm just rock out. I see gang right there. That boy putting no work for real. What's up, bro? Shout it out,
You
man.
already know, man. Man, shout out Nato, man. From Charlotte, you know what I'm saying? So we out here, Buzz City, hosting this event, man. They did their thing for real. Y'all see all the people that came out. Y'all see all the whips, man. So,
Yes,
hey,
sir.
my man Pablo gonna show y'all around, man.
You
Y'all
know it.
enjoy it, for real.
You know it, man. It is steaming out there, bit, y'all.
What?
It is steaming.
You just got here?
Yeah, we just pulled up. What's up, man? You
How
good?
it go, bro? The sun was cracking on us.
Nah. I ain't ready. I'm used to the Florida heat. Y'all shit a little different up here, bro. Hey, man, shout it out, brother. Tell them who he is.
Scatboy392, man.
Scatboy392.
Instagram, Scatboy_392.
Yes, sir. Ski, you already know. You want to shout it out, man?
Yeah, I'll shout it out,
It's
man.
your boy Pablo 7392, man. My bad, brother. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here in these streets in North Carolina. Where we at? What's this area called?
Albemarle.
Albemarle.
So it's like
Pablo, you know?
Huh? Yes, sir. Pablo 7392.
This is Black Man Baking Like a Grandma, tasting stuff. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Black Man Baking Like a Grandma. Check me out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfectly at the bottom, and then it's so shitty at the top, and then I'm just sitting here. That was the first time. Like, logically, you're trying to find a way to make it happen. And nope. And it just doesn't work.
Then you're down to your last stretch of vinyl.
Then you're down to the last stretch of vinyl, and now it's like, what do I do now? So, again, I wasted probably about...
He went crazy on this thing right here, man. Yes. sir. Look at that. He representing the Marines. Y'all see that under there? Ooh, mess with the beast. Ooh, we will put a bullet in your chest. Okay, straight up telling you. It's hard though. Y'all see that?
It's a wide body from the back, I can tell. I think I know the difference.
Ooh, and this man, you see him? That big go crazy. Yes, sir. Oh, look at that steering. Bruh, he put some work into this.
Definitely. Everything red, man. Red carbon or regular carbon.
Ah, that go crazy. I love that steering wheel. What's that, bro? Center console?
Yeah, look at the center console. You got that thing lighting up in it.
Man.
He put some work in this.
Oh, I seen somebody with those for the, man, y'all see that? $13.20 thing. They got some heat out here now. Don't play with them. Y'all see my broski top step out this thing working, man. We trying to get these bangers for y'all, these noggin rockers. Everybody in their car though. I want some Hellcat reps. I think I want some Hellcat reps for the Daytona, bruh.
That would be dope.
That should be clean. Frostbite thing. Y'all see Queen City. Hey, I gotta give North Carolina their credit. Y'all doing y'all thing up here. Carolina area. Yes, sir. You know, it do. Oh, wait, go that way. There you go. It do spin. Get motion. Yes, sir. Buddy, hot. Hey, with that. That boy knockout is karate mode right now. Look at got some stuff out here. Big Jeep with the big F on that thing. You see it? I don't want to mess with it. Only like it spin. I seen this in Jacksonville before. What's up, brother? What's up, my guy? You all right? Chillin', man. Shout it out. Tell who he is, man.
Y'all know it's going Rambo_LIK. Let y'all go subscribe to my channel and follow me on IG.
Yes, sir, man. Hey, man, with the merch on, you know what I'm saying? I got here trying to get a little sauce, boy. I hear sweating, though. Hey, it is cooking.
I got my big boy sweat rash there.
Hey, you see him? Hey. Definitely seen that in Jacks before. Actually, I seen both of them. Cause they was on the back of trucks.
Scoutboy_392, man. Instagram and YouTube.
I want a Jeep. I got a bit.
Don't let me interrupt the video. Your hair is beautiful.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. Hey, man, this junk here go crazy. Big, stupid. You can sit a baby in there. You can put a little kid in there. That's pressure. Okay. She went with, that's got, I hope that's a chick car with that pink and stuff. Cooking. Don Julio thing. Make sure y'all check him out. Don Julio SRT8. Yes, sir. Oh, and he got the red guts enough. Don't play with him. Yes, sir. I like that. I think I got the. I'm gonna get the JLT air cold air intake. I'm gonna go ahead and order that. Then I need to order me a catch can. What is this called, bro? You know the name of those?
It's a breather.
It's called a breather.
Yeah, I don't know what type of breather, but I know it's a breather.
Okay. Probably order me one of them.
Trevor got it on his.
Yeah. I mean, what? I want to know the purpose of it.
Breather.
Shut up, bro. Hey, I like that. I see how you tried to get the paint to match the wheels.
Yeah, that's actually dope. So you know that's what's that, dip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's clean though. I fuck with that. Tearing something down. That Thanos Nissan, y'all see that thing? I like this right here. This teal go crazy. If you had a choice, let me ask you a question, bro. If you had a choice, would you do wrap or paint?
Wrap.
You do wrap?
So that way I can get to change it up whenever, you know what I mean? Like
Okay.
Paint is permanent.
Okay. Most people, like CJM 32s, Rail to Real, they do paint. There's, like, Rail got mad about his wrap. When he took that last wrap out, he was upset about it. I guess because it took so much to take it off. I'd probably go wrap too. I'm same reasons. You can switch it out as much as you want. But I like this though. I like this color. All in Motorsports, he just sold his TRX with this same wrap on it. Pressure. Ooh. I definitely would be out there bitch drinking. Hell no. That look like it sound good. Copyright. Y'all know we gonna just keep talking through that stuff. Oh, this shit. Damn. Yes, sir. Hellbutt. Make sure y'all check my Hellbutt 392. Got more power sandwiches. See that's in the like a screen. It is. It's playing Transformers. Damo out there.
Inside of this?
Black Wonder Woman, Superwoman. That boy Damo out this thing. I ain't seen that boy yet though. Y'all see the fam out here doing their thing. Everybody chilling. What's up, man? You alright? You good? Good, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up, brother? You good?
Yeah, bro.
Hey, mama, you alright? Hey, mama, you alright? Let's run down the line. Shout it out.
Hey, man, y'all know what time it is, man. Really real. Hey, man, this is one half. This is my better half. Jen and Rails, couple channel, man, the best on the market. Make sure you check us out. Also, stay locked in to Pablo Savage 392. Got a lot of good stuff going on. And I'm not just saying it because I got the camera in my face. I'm watching too. You know what I mean?
Gang, we out here, man. Y'all see the squad. They pulling up. They pulling up heavy, too. You know what I'm saying? Shout it out, man.
Hey, man. It's a 6-4. Y'all see what's going on, man.
Yes, sir.
It's a little logo I created, man. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if I should
Nah, that's hard.
You know what I'm saying? For the skats, it's universal. You know what I'm saying?
Hey.
Y'all know what I'm saying? Go to the channel. Subscribe to it. Like, comment, share the videos, man. We're going up all 2021, man.
Big fans.
Y'all look out for Pablo Savage 392, man. He dropping bangers every day, man. Almost every day.
Yeah, almost.
But we bring that content, though, man. Y'all know how we coming, man.
Yes,
Subscribe
sir.
to
Yes,
the
sir.
channel, man.
Hey, man, I appreciate that, gang. You know what I'm saying? It's good seeing that boy. You hanging out. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all nigga feet hot. Y'all got, hey, y'all roasting the nigga right now, bro.
Yeah, it's hot out here.
This man has
Right from the phone, man.
Hey, what's up, gang? You all right? What's up, OG?
Get you a Tesla, man, and use my code.
Oh, you got a code?
So follow me on Instagram, EVAPORS, eVapors. I'll send you my code, man, so you can get a free 1,000 miles of supercharging. It cost me about $1 to drive 2 hours here.
Wow.
I went
This is the Tesla, right?
Yeah. I went from Orlando to North Carolina to Disney, right? I spent $40. From North Carolina right here to Orlando, $40, man.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then Disney took the rest of my money, so I still ain't got nothing left.
Shit, from Jacksonville to here, I'm already 200 out. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all know that is an excellent option, but yeah, my ticket don't gas something.
Facts.
Towing and not towing. Matter of fact, let everybody put your hands on the screen. Play with my brother.
Hallelujah.
And send him my cash app.
Hey.
Hey, all you can just donate to the, you know what I'm saying, school supply drive, man. $1.
And look,
Appreciate everybody who,
what's the next raffle?
oh, you gonna raffle off the CJ So Cool guy.
Right.
Yeah, then I'm gonna be raffling off the Barry too.
Oh, Tavari? Okay, guess what, y'all?
2 years.
Y'all, okay. Y'all are looking at the winner of Kavari. Sorry, y'all are looking at the winner right now. What if I win Kavari and CJ Cat?
You gone, boss? All right, man.
Check your and I'm gonna do like something like that. They really be mad. Off of one ticket, you got Kavari and the Scat. Yeah, man. I'll be official Chicago.
I'm your brother, and I'm gonna be a hater. Because if you win,
pass the side. If I win both of them, you drive one of them.
okay, never mind. I'm okay.
Retract that.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull that back.
Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on Turo, and then all you gotta do is pay on Turo.
Oh.
And then you can drive it. Oh, wow. I'm a businessman. I got 2 kids.
Come on now.
I got 2 kids. I got a 2-year-old, a 7-year-old, and a wife been married 16 years. And my birthday next week. Hey, you lit, man. Yes, sir, man.
Slime. I'm back in your state. How's it going, gang?
Blueberry.
You know, a little something, you know what I'm saying? Chilling out here in these streets, you know what I'm saying? Trying to run it up. Hey, man, Slime Gang. Oh, no, I had to get it right. Slime Nation, you know what I'm saying? Let's get.
Slime Nation or Pet Nation? Which one of them?
I like Slime Nation. I do. I like Slime Nation.
Hey, listen. Somebody said don't name it Slime Nation or Pet Nation. They said it sounds like some kind of Mexican gang.
No. I like that. Slime Nation. That's you. You know you gotta make it unique to your thing. You know what I'm saying? But while y'all here, y'all watching this handsome young fella right here, and you know what I'm saying? Come on over here. Pablo Savage 392, man. You know what I'm saying?
Got a website now. What can they do?
Oh, PabloSavage.com. You see, this a piece of it right here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Slime, you gonna see what? You gonna see my name pop up. Cause I see you drop some new styles, And I seen a red one. I was like, I'm gonna grab that one. So that's the one. I'm gonna go grab that one. So make sure you go to slimepack.store. Don't play. You thought I was gonna mess it up. She thought I was gonna mess it up. Go to the store, you know what I'm saying, grab some and take a picture and send it to her. You know, showing that you really support it. That's all we be asking for.
Go over to his website, which is PabloSavage.com.
Yeah. You know. Hey, that's all we asking. What's up, Slime?
Am I in a good line?
You good. I got you. Oh, you want to go this way? I got you. She's sorry.
Hey, SlimePack_392. That's on YouTube and on Instagram. And get y'all some Slime Pack merch at slimepack.store.
Yes, sir. Pablo Savage 392.
What's up?
Got your car out here?
Yeah, I got an orange Daytona. It's parked over there. See that one right there? Yeah. I'm on the other side of him.
Nice, bro.
Yeah.
Where you from?
Jacksonville, Florida. Yeah.
Hey, you
let me make sure I throw that in there so everybody appreciate me coming out. Yes, sir.
People all the way from Chicago and everything else, man.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's where they from.
Yeah.
It's what's up? Music.
Yeah, this is the music from
Okay.
Has his own record label. He out here for Atlanta.
Okay.
Yeah,
You got anything you want to shout out? No.
I don't do social media, to be honest, but
No.
But I'm gonna watch you though.
Okay. I appreciate that. I'm trying to run it up. He said he don't do it.
Yeah, I got you.
Uncle Stunner. OG. Make sure I get you on here, man. What's up, man?
How you doing, brother?
Hey, I
always see you always.
Hey, we working. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man.
Always making trips, man, getting y'all that dope content, man. Make sure y'all check it out, man.
Please come through the channel, man. Pablo Savage 392, Instagram and YouTube, man. We out here working. I'm chasing that content for the game. Come join Savage Game, you know, Squizzy Game. We can all intermingle together. You know what I'm saying? Run that thing on up. You know what I'm saying? Just out here trying to get it done. You know. Yes, sir.
We'll be out here grinding.
Big facts. This ain't even a YouTuber's event, but it's turned into a YouTuber's event. Look. Hey. That's the gang out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Jenny Rails out here. You know what I'm saying? Octane Red 392 out here. We see Top Step out this thing. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we got a YouTube wolf pack right here. Yes, sir. Look at all that networking. Look at all that networking happening. Slime crazy. Oh, that's family.
Let me show you something.
Uh-oh. Two innovative people. Two innovative people right here.
This is what you gotta do. You gotta get you that QR code.
Two innovative people.
I'm telling them.
Look.
I'm telling them.
Right here.
Yeah, you gotta do that because you don't want to say, hey man, go follow my channel. You know what I'm saying? Then they got to go put it in their phone. Nah, man.
True.
I'm gonna hit you with that
Scan the
card.
QR code.
Look.
Scan the QR code. Your boy got one.
Yeah, that's a game right there.
Woo.
Game.
The back of the shirt.
Yeah, man. Hey, I'm telling you, I be walking downtown somewhere. I have about 100 in my pocket, bro. I'm hitting all the windows here. You know what I'm saying? Like, an artist that's promoting his show or his music, what they do, they run down putting up doggone flyers and all that stuff.
Yes, sir.
Do the same thing with your YouTube channel.
Yes, sir.
You advertise.
You know what's crazy? I said I was going to do it also. I swear to God, but I haven't got to do it yet. But I did step up.
Yeah, it's cooking, bro.
Don't wait on
I'm about to go over there.
I told him to bring that chair. I forgot to hit you up till you bring your chair.
Oh.
But hey,
you
Mighty Stunner, Mighty.
That's little bro, Mighty Stunner.
Mighty Stunner.
Mighty Stunner, yeah. He ain't working hard enough. His camera down, look.
He already up there, he got 14.
Look at that goat. Look at that goat. Look at that goat. What's up, little brother? You good?
Yes, sir.
What's happening, man?
That's my boy. Show yourself for me. I have to have you on my channel.
Hey man, Mighty Stunner, you know what's going on. I hit 15K. I hit 15K and then 20K. You already know what's going on, man. Make sure you guys show some love to my boy Top Steppa and Pablo 392. Come on, man. You already know the vibes right here.
I'm pouring right now, baby.
Overheated, bro.
For real?
Same thing happened to my camera.
Yeah, bro.
The camera shut down.
Gotta get the GoPro for me. Look what we still got, lady. They still roll.
They rolling.
Hey, I got 2 batteries in the car. I had to switch on that.
That's what I just went and did.
Man, I'm so happy for you to hit 50.
Oh, yeah, that's love, bro. That's love. We're going to be there soon. Hit the 100,000 in a few more months.
But for right now, I'm chasing 2.
Pablo did say Friday. I think you got it like a little bit after Friday. Right?
Yeah, it took about an extra week. Yeah,
We can have.
yeah, he did it though. He ran that video real fast. It was the one video, wasn't it? Cause I see that did numbers. The smashing pass.
It's like at 35,000.
Ooh, he eating.
And then that will be Josh and Ronnie.
That shit took off too.
That was going up too.
Ooh.
I wasn't expecting that.
I missed you in the SRTBREE in Savannah. I forgot to get you on there. I'm gonna run you on my Uconnect.
All right,
with the screen in your car, man. I had you on there running.
Oh, bet.
I need you to come shout out the channel.
Okay, bet. Oh yeah, for sure.
Yes, y'all better get one.
They got. Hey, first of all, who's the company?
Stream to your car.
Stream to your. Listen.
IG. Okay.
Stream to your car. If you ever in your life see this video, whether I'm up there, y'all owe him. Y'all owe him a check, cause he been selling the. Right. Look, see, hey, I appreciate it, bro.
He had a 20-minute ad on there. Nah, this is my car.
Hey man, this is boy Pablo 392, man. I'm out here with the game, man. We out here running it up in this heat. You know what I'm saying? I'm dry skinned. Your boy gonna be the smudged chocolate behind it. Look, it's even worse. And then I'm trying to get a little sauce out of things.
You tripping? For real.
It's heavy,
That man even got you with a lighter. That man hot.
They know I get saucy. You know what I'm saying? But y'all fronting this thing go crazy. I like that. That's a Daytona too. That's let's y'all check them out. You back? Oh, they right there. All right, we got the master right here. You know what I'm saying? He made us wait till he get the 6. How much you told us we had to get to? 6.
8K first, then 6K. Then I was like, I'm just releasing good, man.
That was that overexcitement to show his quality of work that he did. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my dog. He put this thing together. Tell him who you is, big fella.
redeye_ride. This ain't my first time, won't be my last time on this channel, man. I tell you all the time, like, comment, subscribe, man. My boy Pablo Savage 392 is a problem, man. These videos he's putting together, he's providing y'all a one of a kind, like no other. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's free. And we're gonna keep this flowing. Y'all already know what it is. Red Eye Ride Out.
Hey, appreciate that game right there. Boom. Yes, sir. You did good though, brother. It been hard. I'm ready to see you put your camera touch on. I ain't been on your Instagram lately. Did you drop it? Okay. Oh shit, I got an exclusive? Okay. Yes, sir. Y'all see this cat, man? This man right. He did that. He wrapped that thing pressed. Like, how long it took you, right? How long it took? For your first one? That's good, bro. You removed everything? This thing ain't listening. Oh, all right. Uh-oh. I'm just give her a shout out because that's a game. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me, ma'am. Hi. Hi. Hi, guys. What's up, gang? You all right? I know, right? Chillin', man. You see it? And your boy got on jeans like a dumbass.
I take the weather and I was like, oh,
hey, Tiff. How's it going? I want to make sure I really came and spoke to y'all this time. I miss you in Savannah. You see you see my brother. He said he spoke to you, but he had on a Pablo shirt. It's okay. It's okay. But yeah, what's up, GOAT?
You drove all the way from Florida? How far is that?
6.
Okay, we drove about 5. We made it to like 3.5.
See. Everybody got them damn steering wheels. I need one of them bitches. one time. Tell them who it is. Big gang shit.
Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Make sure you know what the fuck going on. We drop your fingers back to back. Keep dropping back to back, right?
Every day?
Period.
Look.
Every day.
Hey, Tim, shout it out.
Get that boy to 20K. Not 16K. Run it out. Like, comment,
Hey, Bree got big energy today. Yeah, man, make sure y'all follow that. Y'all heard what she said, man. Come on, run that thing up. Get your boy. I ain't got 15K. I just got one. Got a little small, little 1.2. So y'all give me the 2. Tell them stuff. You give me 2. I need 2 right now. 2. Hey, no, hold on. Before you go, I told him at 5, I give $100. What is it? $100 every 500 subscribers. So that'd be $400. So $400, yeah.
Wait, hold on. What?
Every 500 subscribers, I will do $100.
Okay. Why y'all not subscribing?
Look, tell them.
Why y'all not subscribing? That's free money. Start getting the 5K. 5K. I know y'all like $100. Hey. I know some y'all need it, bro. Hey. You might need for that down there for that skate. I already know. Come on, bro. Get hit the 5,000 subscribers, bro. Come on.
We running it up out here, man. We running it up out here.
Let's see my boy out here get that good content, bro. Come on. Ain't nobody doing it like him.
Why you was kind of hesitant to walk up though? Hey, it was like, breathe. Cause she seen it too. You a goat too, bro. You are there too, man.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You see how people pro too? Hey, Stunna, can I get a picture? Stunna, let me get a picture. You know what I'm saying? They with you, bro.
Big chopper.
Yeah, big chopper. That's good. That's the.
It's metallic gray.
Okay, so plum is for Mopar, it would be plum crazy purple, right? No, wait. I'm gonna give you credit though, cause the plum crazy purple go hard. Like she got the hair raising joint, so that's hard. Then you got the carbon fiber stripe, and it's on the wing. So you say we wasn't looking, but we was really looking. and what I really like is that big ass decal you got on the window. That I'm scanning that big. Hey, so I made that myself. What's your scale? You want 1 to 10?
Let's do 5. It's a Mustang.
Nah, we ain't down playing that. So,
1 to 10.
1 through 10. I'ma give it an 8 because it's a Mustang. Yes, sir. Hey. Make sure y'all check them out. What's the page? You got all your features? Y'all see my homie, Slime, she out of here. She always come in and vanish like a ghost.
Get what I need and I'm out.
Facts. Tell them where they can get that merch from again.
Mindpack.store.
All right, and tell them where they can find you at again.
Mindpack_393.
On YouTube.
And on Instagram.
Every time.
Ain't hard to find.
And make sure you go like, comment.
So go to PabloSavage.com.
Right here, grab that sauce. You know. Hey, if I don't see y'all name pop up in the next week, next time I see you got a box. I'm gonna give y'all a week. I think all my YouTube friends should have been had a shirt. Even though I should have been had your shirt. But like I said, I ordered your shirt tonight, so you good. I want that red joint.